Hello, welcome back. I see that you've really come so far, and learning something new for the first time can actually be challenging. I've been there all the time, and the truth is that that's how the web is. You know, there are just so many things to learn. You know, just the beginning, HTML. Even on HTML, you have so many tags and things like that. So, but I would say that you're not alone. The most important thing about this is for you to understand all these basic elements that we use frequently in web development, and you can always look them up. Like if you forget, how do I create an order list? How do I create an order list? You can quickly Google them. So I'm actually going to do a quick workshop about finding your way around and how to be able to solve problems, right, especially when you are stuck. So I'm going to do a workshop on that. I think that will be really valuable for a lot of people. So now we're going to be changing a little bit, learning more new things. So this time around is all about input. This is an input here for the search bar here. It's an input. You type something into it and then you can search it. So how do we create inputs? How can you create web forms? You want to collect one thing, you want to collect so many things, form uploads, all this kind of thing. That is being done. So these are what we're going to start building gradually. So the first element that we're going to talk about is a test field. How do we collect a test from the web? So, and the tag is so simple to get started with. So creating a text field is as just having what we call an input like this. You see that? That's magic. Then we have our test field. So easy, right? But that's not enough. We have to tell the browser what kind of test field this is, what type it is. So we say, okay, we are expect to get a test from this. So because one thing about computer is that computer is really dumb. So we just try to like help computer to understand our what our intention is. So because why we have a we do not have an infinite amount of memories in computers, so that's why we have to provision them. So we have to let the computer know from hand that, okay, this input is going to take a test, it's going to take a string, it's going to take a dash. So we're going to talk about that more when we get to JavaScript, where you understand this data type and memories management and things like that. So, but what I just want you to understand is that if we are creating a form like this, we need to let the computer know what kind of data it's expecting to get from the user. So, for this, we are expecting the test, and a test has just been created for us. So, as you can see, also, this is self-closing input, so we can just add this self-closing tag here, and that works for us out of the box. So, yeah, that's it. See you in the next lesson.